If you want to understand how your digestive system is functioning, here's a very simple tool. Guys, the body's communicating with us in all sorts of ways. We just have to understand what the body's trying to say to us. People will run thousands of dollars of labs and stool samples and blood work when they have tools at their fingertips to figure out what's going on within. So if you want to understand how your digestive system is functioning, here's a very simple tool. Go to your sternum, go down 1 inch to 1.5 inches along your ribs to the left, right? If that point is tender when you rub it, that means you're deficient in stomach acid. If you go to the right 1 inch to 1.5 inches down along the ribs, you rub that point, that means that you're deficient in enzymes. If you're deficient in hydrochloric acid or enzymes, nothing else is gonna work well below, right? You can take all the probiotics you want, but nothing's gonna be able to break down in your digestive system. So rub those points. If they're tender, consider taking bitters, hydrochloric acid, enzymes, or apple cider vinegar until we can find the root cause.